Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add a song to your Instagram profile. This is a new feature produced by Instagram, so let's go ahead and check it out. Open Instagram on your phone. Then go to your profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. After that, you can see the Edit Profile option. Go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Scroll all the way down and you will see something like music right on the profile display. If you don't find this music, don't you worry, because you can find it if you can clear the data, clear the cache and force stop Instagram. If this doesn't work, you can go ahead and update your app and you will get the newer version and you can see the music option. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that I have already added a music. You can also remove it. Just go ahead and tap on remove and you can now see that you can pick your own song for your profile. Go ahead and tap on pick a song for your profile and you can see the for you option. These are the songs which has been suggested by Instagram for you. But if you don't want to play this and want to play something else, you can go to browse and you can search for something, or you can just go ahead and go to search and you can search for the song you want. You can start to play it and you can select the song. Now you can select the part of song which you want, and after you're done, go ahead and click on the tick mark. And there you go. Go ahead and click on this tick mark once again, and now you can go back and see that you have set a song on your profile. People can also play this. They just need to go ahead and tap on it and it will be played, as you can see. And to remove or change the song, you can just go ahead and tap on it and you can see remove profile song. Go ahead and tap on it if you really want to remove it. And if you want to change the profile song to keep another song on your profile, go ahead and tap on change profile song, click on remove, which is over here, and you can select any song of your choice. Go ahead and listen to it once, and if you really like it, go ahead and select the part of the song which you want and click on the tick mark button. Then click on the tick mark button once again, and there you go. This is how easy it is to add a song on your Instagram profile. I hope you try it too. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.